Hi folks, just a quick one today. I'm just going to be talking over how you can change the theme of your Niagara workbench. Personally, I find the zebra theme a wee bit too graphically up to date, I guess. So whenever you go to like slide the toolbars across, it's not quite clear where to click. The first thing you want to do is go to Tools and Options, and you can see my active theme is zebra. I'm just going to change that to Lucid and press OK. We then close down the workbench and then reopen it again. Once this reopens, it automatically runs in the Lucid theme. This is something that you can set up for the end user, so if they're using the web pages, they can also see it in the Lucid theme as well. Um, Once you get in here, you'll notice the bars are more square. There's no round edges or kind of gradient looks to them. So for me, it's just my personal preference. I'm sure everybody has a different view on it. If for any reason you want to change it back, it's simple. It's just tools, options, and then change it back to zebra and OK. X out of the workbench, and whenever you restart it, obviously you'll be in zebra. Hope this helps, guys. Cheers.